Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is laundry day, and yes, our new little kitty was taking a nap on my entry rugs, which I will clean later in this video. But today I'm going to show you my laundry day basically. And I'm going to start breaking down my videos a little bit differently than the past, just so I can be more consistent with uploading. In the past, I had help filming my videos, and sometimes Byron would help me, but filming everything myself and using my tripod really allows me to take you with me on what I'm actually doing during the day, and also be able to stop and go because I'm filming it myself. So videos are going to look a little tiny bit different. Maybe you'll notice, maybe you won't, but I can upload more frequently, and that's what I'm hoping to do. Today, I'm focusing completely on laundry and sharing with you some of my real life tips, like what I actually do when I do my laundry. And I don't know if you can relate, but sometimes I'm good at keeping up with laundry and doing it like every few days. And sometimes I procrastinate and then I end up having loads and loads of laundry. So today I'm actually cleaning out the laundry room. I have kind of a small laundry room, but I'm happy to have it because in the past, when we lived in our first apartment, it was a shared laundry room. That I had a laundry room in my kitchen. And so I'm happy to have this, but it's right by the garage, so it gets pretty dusty. Whenever I take something out of the dryer, the leftover dust bunnies kind of end up on the floor. So I'm sweeping up the floor, and I'm just going to give a clean to my laundry room. I also have my reusable bags for Trader Joe's. I can't use those right now because of the coronavirus, but I keep those in here and put them in my truck before I go grocery shopping. I have a little mini vacuum here, which I use all around the house. This is also where I keep my cleaning supplies, and I don't know about you, but I generally look like a hot mess express when I'm doing laundry or cleaning my house. Usually in sweats or leggings and a bun on the top of my head. One thing I've been working on with all of our little chore that I've given him is to collect all his and his brother's laundry and start the load of laundry himself. And then I put the load of laundry in the dryer and fold it. But he actually really likes doing this, and they usually have clothes all over their floor. He was actually picking up some clothes they left in my room. I don't know. Clothes are just thrown all over the floor all the time. Towels, things like that. So that's one thing I asked them to do, is pick up their own clothes, put them in the laundry basket, and then help me get a load started. And Isaiah's really helpful too, but he was with Daddy on a little errand when we were doing this. So Oliver's helping me out here, and he's going to get the load started. Both my kids have always been sweet little helpers, and I want to try to teach them so that they can be independent, so that they know how to do it themselves, and it helps mommy out a lot too. So, okay, moving on, I have all of my white clothes. I, of course, separate my loads into all white. I have a white quilt and white sheets. I put a little bit of Clorox with that, and I have colored as well, and I put all the colored clothes together, like my kids' clothes, my husband's, and mine. And here I go, just dumping load after load after load on my bed. And then I'm just going to start separating and folding. And before I do that, I usually get myself a little iced tea. And I have my very cracked iPhone here, and I like to listen to Audible. Roma Downey has a really nice book called Box of Butterflies, just a super uplifting book. And also Overdrive is another app that if you have a library card, you can rent books for free. I love Dave Ramsey, but I also listen to his podcast, or maybe I'll turn on the Food Network. Or a movie or something. I try to have something that I'm listening to. Yeah, like I love to just listen to books on audio while I'm doing something like this. So to the left there, you can see those are my cleaning and outdoor white towels. They do kind of get gross and dingy because I use them for outdoor projects, for cleaning my car, and also for cleaning around the house. So I do use Clorox to clean those. And then I have my colored, and I'm separating everything, and I'm just going to start folding and compiling into sections. So I usually have my husband's clothes in one section, my kids' clothes, Isaiah and Oliver's separated, and then mine. And then I slowly start to take them to everybody's room and put them in the drawers. And I put bedding on top of the bedding. And it's just a whole day of laundry. And then I kind of go in and out of doing it. Like I'll do one load, and then I'll go do something else, and then I'll do another load. Back very early in my channel, I think it's one of my most popular videos, I folded clothes with a clipboard, which I no longer do. But I used to work at a store called The Limited Too when I was 15, and I kind of got in the habit of knowing how I fold it. My laundry is not perfect by any means. I I have seen all the different methods for how to fold clothes and all the different things, but I just kind of have my way of doing it. All right, so Byron just got back. I thought that this was so sweet. He was taking Isaiah out of the truck and he fell asleep. Oh, so sweet. But since I know some of you will ask, I'm the best at doing the laundry in the house, so I just go ahead and do it. Everybody's happier when they have clean laundry, clean socks, which sometimes I'm bad at making sure everybody has perfectly matching socks, but I do my best. It's mom life. And yeah, just put everything in everybody's drawers, and slowly but surely we're down to just the bedding. Oh, I always do it on a stripped bed usually, because I usually clean the bedding the same days I do the laundry. So I also forgot to mention in my last video this mattress topper I just got. I got one for my husband in my bedroom and also the guest bedroom on Amazon. It's amazing. It makes it feel like you're sleeping on a cloud, and it makes your mattress so much softer. So I'm putting fresh, clean sheets on the bed, and then I'm gonna put the 2 quilts. But before I do that, I'm gonna make this linen spray. I have made linen spray before on my channel, but this is one I go back to and make over and over again. It's super easy. So I have lavender from my garden. This is my French lavender, which I show harvesting it in a previous video. I'll link that one below. But I'm basically making a tea with it, and then I'm putting a sleepy time essential oil. You could just do water and lavender essential oil and put it in one of these spray containers. Amazon has these reusable glass containers, or you can find them at health food stores. But it's a very quick and easy spray that you can make for your linens. And you can experiment with different essential oils. And essential oils are a little easier to come by if you don't grow your own lavender. But if you do grow your own lavender, it is amazing. And then you could put a little bit of witch hazel to help preserve it if you plan to keep it for more than a few weeks. Okay, so now I'm putting the quilts on, nice and clean. Once my bedding is all clean, I go ahead and put that on our bed. Here we have, once again, the wonderful mattress topper that I got for both our bedroom and the guest bedroom. I'll go ahead and link that on Amazon because that's where I found it, and we've been loving it so far. So at this point, my kids are running around and playing while I finish up, and my top bun is more like a side bun at this point. It's been a long day of doing laundry, but I guess thumbs up this video if you can relate to never-ending laundry. And then I'm pulling the laundry from my kids' bunk beds because that needs to be done. And then very last but least, I'm cleaning the rugs that people step on when they enter my home. Those are the dirtiest, so I always do that the last. And then I hang those up outside to dry. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my washer. I have a rag with a little Clorox, and I'm just getting areas of the washing machine that kind of hold on to dust. And then, after I've cleaned the rugs, I feel like I want to give it a nice deep clean. So I do about a half a cup of Clorox, and then I do an extra hot cycle. And I don't do this every single time because it is a lot of water, but if I am going to clean rugs, that's something I like to do. So this is after I have procrastinated and not been good at keeping up with laundry. But hopefully, or maybe, you can relate to this. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can find me on Instagram and TikTok for more content. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.